Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 12. These are the customs and guidelines that you will observe to do in the land which Yahweh, the Elohim of your fathers, gives you to possess, all the days that you live upon the earth. Surely you will destroy all the places where the nations that you will possess served their deities, upon the high mountains, and upon the hills, and under every green tree. Moreover, you will overthrow their altars, and break their pillars, and burn their wooden images with fire. Therefore, you will hew down the statues of their deities, and destroy their names from that place. You will not do so unto Yahweh your Elohim, for unto the place that Yahweh your Elohim chooses from all your tribes to put his name, there he will be. If you seek him, then you will go there. Furthermore, there you will bring your ascension offerings, and your sacrifices, and your tithes, and the exalted offerings of your hand, and your vows, and your free will offerings, and the firstlings of your herds, and of your flocks. So too, there you will eat before Yahweh your Elohim, and you will rejoice with all that is put into your hand, you and your households, in which Yahweh your Elohim has endowed you. You will not do like all that we do here this day, every man doing whatever is right in his own eyes. For you have not come into the rest and into the inheritance yet, which Yahweh your Elohim will give you. However, when you go over the Yarden, and dwell in the land which Yahweh your Elohim gives you to inherit, and when he gives you rest from all your enemies round about, so that you dwell in safety, then there will be a place where Yahweh your Elohim will choose to put his name and dwell there. There you will bring all that I command you, your ascension offerings and your sacrifices, your tithes, and the exalted offering of your hand, and all the vows you choose to vow unto Yahweh. And you will rejoice before Yahweh your Elohim, you and your sons and your daughters, and your menservants, and your maidservants, and the Levim who are within your gates, for he has no part of your inheritance with you. Take heed unto yourself that you do not offer your ascension offerings in every place that you see, but in the place that Yahweh will choose, in one of your tribes. There you will offer your ascension offerings, and there you will do all that I command you. However, with all the desires of your soul, you may kill and eat according to the endowment of Yahweh your Elohim, which he has given you within all your gates. The unclean and the clean, they may eat of them like a gazelle and a deer. Only you will not eat the blood. You will pour it upon the earth like water. You may not eat within your gates the tithe of the grain, or of your wine, or of your oil, or the firstlings of your herd, or of your flock, nor any of your vows which you vow, nor your freewill offerings, nor the exalted offering of your hand, but you must eat them before Yahweh your Elohim, in the place which Yahweh your Elohim will choose, you and your son, and your daughter, and your manservant, and your maidservant, and the Levim that is within your gates. And you will rejoice before Yahweh your Elohim in all that is put into your hands. Take heed unto yourself that you do not forsake the Levim as long as you live upon your Adamah. When Yahweh your Elohim will enlarge your border, as he has promised you, and you will say, I will eat flesh, because your soul longs to eat flesh, you may eat flesh, with all your soul desires. If the place which Yahweh your Elohim has chosen to put his name there is too far from you, then you will kill from your herd and from your flock, which Yahweh has given you, as I have commanded you, and you will eat in your gates with all your soul desires, even like the gazelle and the deer. So too the unclean and the clean will eat of them. Together they will eat of them. Only be sure that you do not eat the blood, for the blood is the life. Therefore you may not eat the life with the flesh. You will not eat it. You will pour it upon the earth like water. You will not eat it, so that it may go well with you. Then you will do what is right in the sight of Yahweh. Only your holies and your vows that you have, you will take and go to the place which Yahweh will choose. Therefore you will offer your ascension offerings, the flesh and the blood, upon the altar of Yahweh, your Elohim, and the blood of your sacrifices will be poured out upon the altar of Yahweh, your Elohim, and you will eat the flesh. Observe and hear all these words which I command you, that it may go well with you, and with your children after you, when you do good and righteously in the sight of Yahweh, your Elohim. When Yahweh, your Elohim, cuts off the nations from before you, where you go to possess them, and you succeed them, and dwell in their land, take heed unto yourself, that you are not trapped by falling behind those who were destroyed from before you, lest you inquire about deities, saying, how did these nations serve their deities? So I may do likewise. You will not do so unto Yahweh your Elohim. For every abomination unto Yahweh, which he hates, they have done for their deities. For even their sons and their daughters they have burnt in the fire of their deities. All the word that I command you of him, observe to do it. You will not add to it, nor diminish from it.